Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to connect your Audio Technica turntable to a JBL speaker, you can definitely go ahead and do so using Bluetooth or aux RCA connection depending on your model. So in today's video, I will show you exactly how you can do it by using both of these methods. So first of all, if your turntable supports Bluetooth, you just have to first of all turn it on and enable the pairing mode. Afterwards, you just have to turn on your JBL speaker and press the Bluetooth button on top of it in order to enter into the pairing mode. Now, after doing so, you just have to do nothing but to just wait for the devices to connect automatically. Once these are paired, you can just simply play a record and the audio will stream wirelessly. Now, if your turntable doesn't have Bluetooth, you can use the wired setup, in which you need to take the RCA to 3.5 mm aux cable, then connect the RCA end to your turntable and the aux end to your JBL speaker. Just make sure that the turntable is set to the line mode. Now you just have to turn on both the devices, select the correct input mode on your JBL speaker like aux or Bluetooth, then you can play the record and check the sound. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.